Mind if I come in?
Joey's run! Front! Joey's coming around front! I got him!
He didn't do anything!
There's Robodome.
Why you coming to my mama house? I ain't been to your mama house.
Jesus Christ, man!
Get out of the water. Wait, don't make me come in there after you. I'm knee deep in duck. It's 2 feet of duck. Cop.
That's fine. Hey, get out of the water, man.
What you gonna do, shoot me? Huh? He wants to shoot and arm. Get out, man. You're under arrest. I didn't do nothing.
Get out of the water!
But they live life fast and they scared of dark. There was a little school by the name of Creek. Nobody paid him any mind, no one gave it. No one he could rap, no one lit the hand. So he went about his business and devised a plan. Made a CD, then he hit the block. 50,000 sold, $7 a pop. Hold a foe, 3 years later. Stepped out the swamp with 10.5 gators. Now all around the world on the microphone. He leaves the booth smelling like Burberry cologne. Still riding chrome, got bitches in the kitchen, never home alone. And he's on the grind. Please let me know if he's on your mind. And respect you'll give me, ludicrous. I live loud like Timber. Had to clear these rumors. I got a headache. Got a tumor. I get up on my lap, my head looks like. Straight or whatever, let the bed bug right. I'm hard to the core, core to the right. Jump down, turn around, pick up the gun. Yeah.
Too slow, cop. Right alert. Pick away. I'm gonna catch you. Never gonna catch me, cop. Stay right. Stay. Oh, sorry, you're right. You're right. You're right, please. Ah.
All right.
Police brutality.
Get down.
Don't swear at your mom. Not nice.
Damn it, settle down.
Oh!
You see where that got you?
I didn't do nothing.
You're still caught. You got all over you. How do you like that, huh?
Center yourself.
I'm calm, okay? I'm calm.
All right.
Get up. Get up.
You young brat. If it wasn't for this old man up here, you wouldn't have caught nothing. Nothing, even if you had roller skates. So I can't believe I let y'all catch me. Man, talk to us.
LAPD, lame punk.
Settle down, son.
LAPD.
Settle down.
I ain't no snitch, and I ain't no. I ain't got to tell you.
You are just talking yourself into a hole.
Take my cuffs off, now kick your.
Oh, really? You didn't
Will
kick
you
my
shut
ass,
up?
dumbass.
Shut up!
I ain't this man.
All right, that's it. That's it. Let's take the to the station, partner, huh? Harbor Division substation.